How to change UI transparency in Horror 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here in the last option, there's UI transparency. Here, you'll be able to get a slider too. So what does UI transparency means? It basically means the transparency in the controls that you'll get. So here, you can adjust it accordingly. If you are a noob, make sure it's totally to the full because you might get confused. But if you are a pro, you can completely keep it to 0 because your hands will be all set and it will be easy for you to focus on the game more than the controls and UI transparency. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.